Assalamu alaikum. I will telling about fabric 4-point system. What is 4-point system and 4-point system calculation? Now let's get started now. The 4-point system for fabric inspection is a standard method used in this apparel and textile industries. Fabric inspection system in this industry is very common topics. This system evolution and grease fabrics, giving buyers and suppliers limited into the quality of their fabrics. In this article, we will explain that 4-point system and fabric inspection and how it works as tools for quality control. How does 4-point system work? The 4-point system provides a means of different defects according to their severity as assessing properly points. The system is under ASTM standard test method for these fabrics inspections by the American Society for Testing and Materials ASTM. In the 4-point system, defects in both the arc or curves difference of a fabrics will be stands properly points using the following criteria. Size of defects. Defects up to 3 inches. Defect less than 3 inches less greater than 6 inches. Defect 6 inches greater than 9 inches. Defect 9 inches. However, not all defects are required at buying features. 4-point properly resolution of the size and this defect and 4-point system numbering fabrics. Calculation of total points per yards. Using the fabric system, fabric quality is different dimension and number of this point of per 100 years. Points of per 100 years are calculated as follow. Penalty points into 36 into 100 divided inspected yards into method calculated in this inches. Example, A 132 yards long, 43 inches with fabric roll is inspected, and this following different were found. Let's begin up. Defect up to 3 inches, number 6. Defect up to less than 3 inches and greater than 6 inches, 4 points. Defect 6 inches greater than 9 inches, 4 points. Defect 9 inches, this 2 points. Total penalty points, 28. What is this calculation of total penalty points per years? Answers: 28 into 36 into 100 divided 132 into 43. 17 into 8 differed per 100 score yards. The defect unacceptable. So every inspected yards acceptable is this 40%, and this is the not acceptable, it is 100% and is 70%. So thank you so much for this watching this videos, and I will share in next videos.